Some basic facts. 1. Bananas are berries, botanically speaking, while strawberries are not. They're aggregate fruits. 2. Apples float in water because they contain about 25% air. 3. Pineapples take about 2 years to grow before they are ready to be harvested. 4. The world's heaviest watermelon weighed over 350 pounds. 5. Avocado is technically a berry, and it has the highest protein content of any fruit. 6. A pineapple is a collection of berries that have fused together. 7. Oranges are technically berries, too, but unlike strawberries, they're classified as Hesperidia. 8. Mangoes are related to cashews and pistachios.